Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to just email any folder. So suppose I have a folder in here and I have the files in here. So if I want to just send this or email this folder, what I will do is head over to my web browser. And here, make sure you have logged in into your web browser by tapping this icon. And just right beside it, you'll find this block size icon. Well, if you hover on it, it will say Google Apps. So click there and scroll down and go to Gmail, or you can also go to your Gmail account from here. So once you're there, just here, go to Compose. And in here, just write an email address to which you want to send. You can add a CC or BCC to add a subject of your wish, and then just tap on the drop down just beside the send button, or you can schedule your send, and here you will find attach files options. So click on it and here select your desired folders. So like I'm selecting my desktop, and here I will be sending a folder like this one, and here I'll tap on open. So as you can see, I can't just easily add this. What I have to do is just to go back and right click on this folder, and here you will find the option to compress an email. So before that, just change it to a RAR file, or you can just zip it with 7-zip or anything you want. So use 7-zip, I'm using it. So I'm just compressing it and sending it to email. You can do the both. So once it is compressed and I'm just making it a zip file, tapping on OK. So a zip file of this is made, and then I have to head over to my attached files icon. Here, go to desktop or in your desired folder, and here I have my zip file, and also tap it. It is selected and open it, and the file is added. Now I can send it with anyone I want with an email address. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.